I will wait, said wood, and it did. 10 years, 100, 1,000, 1,000,000, it did not matter. Time was not its measure, not its keeper, nor its master. Wood was trees in those first days. And when wood sang, it was leaves, which took flight and became birds. It is still forest here, the forest of used to be. Its trees are the trees of memory. Their branches so many tongues, so many hands, they still speak a story to those who will listen. By only looking without listening, you will not hear the trees. You will see only hard stone and flattened landscape. But if you're quiet, you will hear it. The leaves liked the wind and went with it. The trees grew more leaves, but wind took them all. And then the bare trees were branches, which in their frenzy made people think of so many ideas. Branches were lines on the paper of sky, drawing shapes on the shifting clouds, until everyone agreed that they saw horses. Wood was also the keeper of fires. So many people lived from what wood gave them. The cousins of wood went so many places, until almost nobody was left. That is the way of so many families. But wood was steadfast even though it was hard from loneliness. Still, I will wait, said wood, and it did.